Hello everyone, and we have decided to do our monthly collection drop live. So we're live, and I have to admit, we're a little nervous.
Yeah, it's our first time doing it this way, but I think it's going to be fun.
I think it's going to be fun, and I also want to give a big, huge shout out to Matthew over here who is on the board, and he's going to switch pictures and help us see this gorgeous collection. So we're really happy that you're here, and of course, all of these projects, even though they are just releasing in February, they'll be available ongoing. So if you see this video later than the date, that's all good. All right. So today's collection, or this month's collection, is, I'm going to let you tell them.
Yes. So this month's collection, which I love, is called Dreaming of Spring, because we are all dreaming of days that we can get out into our garden. I know it's the winter blues are hitting a lot of us.
It is. So we thought that we would cheer everybody up and bring this beautiful spring theme. I know I'm already looking for seeds for my garden this year, so I got super excited about this.
Yes.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go down the line of felt crafts because they all go together and they're so cute. And the first one here is, let's show these off. We have our felt garden tools. Okay, I may not be using these in my garden this year, but I think my next door neighbor, who's 6, would love to come over and have some fun with me.
Yes, and these have little beads inside of them, inside the pouches. Here, Matthew, switch back.
He can't.
Yep, there you go.
Oh, there we go.
Yes, so these have little beads inside of them, and they are so cute, and I love the tactile effect of these.
I do too. And the fun thing about this is, in a different project, these were actually made quite a while ago. I would say maybe a year and a half ago or so. We have the vegetables for every single seed. So you can find those as well.
Eggplant seeds.
Yep. There you go. All right, moving on. So the next project.
We also have these we forgot to mention.
Oh, I talked about them.
Okay, great.
You were just busy with the seeds. The next project that we want to talk about is this adorable sunflower. And I love this as a child's toy because it has the dirt, so they can play with, potting, doing the dirt potting. Yes. And then there's a stem that slides right into the dirt. And how fun is that? I think that's a great little piece that can be a decoration in the room.
Yes, and Krista mentioned that she made this sunflower a little bit more simplified so younger crafters can get in on our beautiful sunflowers.
All right.
And next up, we have our stuffy of the month, which is this chicken. Look at how cute she is. And I had her sitting in our little pot, ready to lay some eggs.
So perfect. I've been dying to get some chickens in my garden, but probably not for a while. So I'm just going to have to stick with this little felt chicken.
Can't leave her outside, unfortunately.
No, you can't. I think that, the cats would get it. And then finally, for this little grouping, we have in felt, we have this little basket that is for all your garden tools, or if you're collecting your felt vegetables, you can go ahead and get those in your little basket. I don't know. I just can see this being such a great toy for any child.
Yes, you could put your little seeds in here. There's little pockets and this iron-on snail detail, which I think is adorable.
We have a few paper projects that go along with this theme. And the first one is actually one of our favorites. So we had to bring it back because the theme just works so well. And these are the little paper pots.
And these are just made from cardstock, and you can make these at home. We have a template for this, and I think they're really great and versatile.
They are. And then we have,
right along with that paper pot theme, we have our paper watering can. And I think this utilizes a lot of the same techniques as the paper pot. It's just a little bit more interesting, and it's got all these fun details. Like, look at this. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you can look in the pictures. It's got this really cool detail right here on the spout.
Of course, don't put water in that, but I do think that both the paper pots and the paper water can would make such a great party decoration.
Agreed. And next up, we have our paper terrariums.
Yes, and those are little greenhouses, little mini greenhouses. And again, you can put little tea lights in them. They're great for a party. I would even decorate a child's room with them,
or
even my
room.
mantle. Yeah, I know exactly.
I love these. This is one of my favorite tea light decorations that we have. I just think it's so cute, especially in that green color. Love.
Yeah, I've even tried to make those out of wood with the Glowforge.
Oh yeah, we
Yes.
did try that.
We did. All right, so the next thing is,
We have another addition to our paper art, watercolor art here. Oop, there we go. Our watercolor art collection. This time I did a spring-themed cherry blossom branch, and you can see our really lovely watercolor texture. And we're actually going to be doing a live video of us making this together on February 9th. So if you'd like to join us, we'll be doing that, and we'll put details out for you soon.
yes, so mark your calendar. This has been one of our member favorites, are these layered watercolor
Yeah.
pieces, because anyone can do them. I know Anna, her son, made them for Christmas.
Yeah, she made them for their grandmothers. So cute. This one's a little bit, has a lot of little teeny bits, so we use our needle nose tweezers a lot, but it's a very fun project.
It is. All right, now we're going to switch over to a little bit more home decor along with this. And we have this. This is probably one of my favorite crafts this month.
It's so cute.
The macrame, yes.
Macrame rainbow.
There we go. Thank you. With the, all of a sudden, my mind went blank. With these cute little fringes.
It's kind of like clouds.
It is. And I don't know how I would incorporate this into my house, but I think I could.
Just hang it on a wall.
Yes, I think I could do that. It's beautiful. And for a child's room or an adult's room, maybe yours, we also have this cute little banner. And it's a 3D flower that you can see. Pops
You can
out.
squish. And she's got a cute little face.
So not only can you have stuffies in your decor on your bed, but you can also put them on your wall. Why not?
We're getting creative over here.
We are. All right.
All right, and we also have this very fun, I call it the birthday confetti. This is a, what are they called, the hanging things? Garland.
Yes.
Or scarf, depending on your mood. Megan made this and put a lot of time into it. Look how gorgeous it looks hanging on that mantle. I know I would love to have that in my house.
I also see this as a great way to use up your felt scraps. You know, never throw anything away.
Such a good idea. Oh
yes.
my gosh, we have so many felt scraps.
Yes, never throw anything away. Keep them in a basket, and you can make something really pretty like this to decorate, or for, you know, even a toy for a child.
Yeah, love that idea.
Alrighty, then the last of this category we have are these little guys that I made from needle felt.
And you had so much fun making these, didn't you?
I did. So they're hedgehogs, and oh, there we go. They're hedgehogs, and I was trying to make them
like
super
how they roll around.
simple.
Bloop, bloop.
I ended up needle felting them because they just look like little white bears on brown balls. So adding that extra needle felting just makes them look so cute. And I can see this as being a great little gift to give to someone. Just place it on their desk. They'll never know where it came from.
It just rolled on in.
Yeah. Then we're going to move over to our paper flowers and plants. And the first thing that we have going on is this beautiful spring wreath. And this is made from felt and paper. It's this combination of materials. I just love it. So we thought we'd bring that back.
It's so elegant. I love the color combinations.
Yes, it's very nice.
And next up, just in time for this month, we have the paper wood sorrel. And this had some really pretty colored pencil details on the flowers. And I think that this would be great on a mantle, and it's seasonally appropriate.
It is. Or all year round. Why not? All right, and then, oh, we don't have it here, but we have the snake plant. And this is a new version that Megan made for us, and it's made out of cardstock. I know we have a cardstock snake plant, but we also have a crepe paper.
Yeah.
And I actually put them on the table together, and they're gorgeous. They look so beautiful.
I love the details on this one. She put a lot of detail into all of the striping and texture, and it just looks gorgeous.
But it's so easy to make.
So realistic.
Yeah. And, you know, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, again, what a great gift for someone. I could see, you know, anybody, you could make this and give it to them. And it's not a plastic or fake plant. It's actually a
Paper
sculpture.
and handmade. And I think it would look great in a little paper pot.
You could do that too. Absolutely. And then finally, we have our member make. And for those of you who don't know what that is, we do a live video once a month for our members where Megan comes in and she will teach us from start to finish how to make a gorgeous flower. And this month,
We love this one.
this is an ornamental cabbage. So it's a little different. This is something that florists use. I know I used to use them when I had my flower shop, but it's a great one to have for spring to put into your arrangements. And you'll want to come and check this out. She uses so much beautiful color to add all the detail. And that member make is on the 16th of February. So mark your calendars for that.
Yay, I cannot wait to see her make this. I love all the detail that she put into it, and I think it's just going to be a gorgeous one to add to our garden collection.
Yes, I don't know. What do you think, Emily? I'm super inspired.
I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm inspired for spring. I'm inspired for some little bit more sunshine, although I am grateful for the rain that's happening right now.
Yes, I'm grateful that it's not ice storm anymore, because that was pretty terrible.
That was intense. I'm sure a lot of the country saw that as well.
Yes.
So we hope to see you at our member make, but absolutely come and see Emily make this flower art on YouTube. That's free for everybody. So mark your calendars for both of those.
The 9th and the 16th.
There we go. And remember that all of these templates and tutorials you can find at leahgriffith.com.
And all of the tools and materials you can find in our shop, feltpaperscissors.com.